Good afternoon, Mr. Hollis.
Oh,
Are you doing okay today?
yeah.
Okay. Just for the record, Mr. Hollis, can you please state your full name?
Harold Ray Hollis.
And Mr. Hollis, do you have a child, or what is the child's name that is subject to the petition today?
Melanie Ray Hollis.
And when is her birthday?
12. 12/31 of 22.
I just want to make sure, sir, I'm not trying to trick you. I just want to make sure.
I'm not feeling very well today, and my mind's not working very good today because I can't breathe, first of all. And if you ask me something I can't remember, that's because I can't breathe.
Okay.
Your Honor, forgive me, but I need to interrupt. I've just been advised my client, through his spouse, is having significant heart problems and breathing problems today, which may account for, look, he's very distressed. And if you can even hear him breathing from here. I'm not, Harold, do you mind if I ask him?
No, please, I don't want to continue if he's not well.
Harold, are you up to this?
Yeah.
Harold, if you weren't here for trial, would you be going to the hospital?
Maybe, but I don't, not today though.
How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
A long time.
All right, what do you think, Mr. Burke?
I'm gonna keep going. I just don't remember a lot. I can't remember.
It's his body, Your Honor, his decision. I'm just making the court aware that I can see he's under a lot of stress right now, which may be related to where we're at, may be related to his body rebelling to something. I don't know which.
Well, if we looked at a different date for adjudication trial,
Keep going.
got the morning of the 24th, which is
No, we'll just
Whatever.
he's all right.
Come on.
He's not hospitalized or shit. I'm just saying, because I would know, because I'm always around him, okay? He's
Keep going.
just give him time is what I'm saying to answer questions.
I request that we continue.
okay.
That's all I'm saying. Sorry.
He's insisting, his attorney's assisting, so Ms.
Yo.
Thomas, he has his right to attend the trial.
And Mr. Hollis, if at any point in time you need a break, please let me know. Okay? And my questions are not meant to trick you. We're just trying to find the truth for the judge to hear, okay?
Mr. Hollis, you need to respond with
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay, and this is a little hard because the facts that the court must consider are the ones that were true at the time we filed the petition, which was way back in June. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. In June, were you living on Sutton Road?
Yeah.
Is that in Lenawee County?
Yeah.
And can you help me understand, are you and Miss Walker married?
No.
Okay. And is Miss Walker the mother of your child, Melanie?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you recall in April, CPS coming to your home in mid-April?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you recall about them coming? Why were they there?
I don't exactly remember why they were there. I still ain't figured out why they were there.
Okay. At that point in time, did the CPS worker attempt to talk with Miss Walker as well, to the best of your knowledge?
Yeah.
Was she home, do you recall?
No, I don't think so.
Were you willing to work with the CPS worker?
Yeah.
And did you let the CPS worker know where Miss Walker was?
I didn't know where she was.
Okay. Was your daughter home with you or was
No.
she? Okay. Do you recall on or about the end of April, Miss Walker filing a PPO against you?
I didn't know nothing about it.
You didn't know that she filed a PPO against you?
Not until they give it to me.
Okay,
I didn't hear that until,
Not until they give it to me.
thank you.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
You may.
Mr. House, I'm just gonna hand you this packet of documents. Are you able to read?
No, not today.
Not today? Okay.
You can give it to
Okay.
Erica.
I'm gonna, Your Honor, may I read into the record what the document I'm holding is?
Any objections?
No,
No position?
No objection.
Mr. Hollis, I'm holding part of a packet. This is a motion to modify, extend, or terminate a personal protection order. The case number is 24-51632-PP. It was filed in the state of Michigan, 39th Judicial Circuit, Lenawee County. It indicates that the petitioner is Erica Walker, and you are the respondent. And it states that on 4/17, a personal protection order was entered into the court. And the motion states that I am the respondent, and I ask the court to conduct a hearing to terminate the personal protection order. And it states because she is bipolar and she lied, she is to be taking medication for it, and she is not. It is dated 4/30/24 and signed by what I presume is you.
Yeah, I remember doing that. I was trying to get rid of the thing, so
Okay. Did you, are those, what you wrote in that motion, is that accurate?
I don't know for sure now.
Okay, so
What
you're,
was it, what's,
he may not have understood the question.
I can re-ask, thank you. When you wrote this on April 30th, was it true that Ms. Walker was bipolar and she had lied in the PPO?
I don't know if I didn't write that actually.
Okay. You
I
know-
didn't write that, my sister wrote it.
Okay,
She forced me, she wanted me to, she's the one who wrote all that, not me.
okay. But you signed it?
Yeah, I just trying to get rid of her, get rid of my sister. I don't want my sister around me no more.
Okay,
So my sister wrote all this stuff.
after you were aware of the PPO
Yeah,
on or about April 30th? And after that, were you still living with Miss Walker?
no. She left,
How long was she gone for?
I don't know, a couple months. I think it was.
Is this PPO still
No.
valid?
It's done.
Harold, you gotta let her ask her questions before you answer.
Oh,
I'll try to be as flexible as possible. I know that you're having a hard time, okay? Do you recall on or about May 13th, you were supposed to go to court for the PPO hearing?
I didn't know about no court, May 13th.
Okay. So in your motion that you signed, there's a notice of hearing on page 2 of that. And it states that you are notified that a hearing has been scheduled to modify, extend, or terminate the personal protection order issued in this case. Judge Anna Marie Anzalone, date Monday, May 13th, 2024, time 8:30 a.m., location 425 North Main Street, Adair, Michigan, 49221, third floor, or via Zoom. And your signature's below that. You don't recall signing that?
No, well, I probably signed it, but I didn't think, they don't think to, I don't even have that paperwork. My sister took that paperwork.
Okay. So you did not go to court on May
I didn't
13th?
go, I didn't know nothing about going to court.
Okay, so since June, since we filed this, so since June, has this PPO been dropped?
Yeah,
Did you go to court to get that dropped?
yeah,
Okay, and can you tell us what happened that caused the court to drop it? Because I don't have that documentation.
they just said they was dropping it.
So you did not have to provide testimony to the court?
No, I didn't say anything. I just come to court and.
Okay.
And that was it. They said, she said it was cropped.
Okay.
If I did say, I don't remember what I said that day. I didn't say anything, I don't believe.
Okay.
I don't remember what I said, to you.
Do you recall talking with a CPS worker on or about May 21st of 2024?
What was it about? Well, I don't. Was I there by myself?
So do you recall the CPS worker sort of just popping up and you speaking with her without Erica
There
there?
was two of them come that day in my driveway. Eric wasn't there.
Okay, and did you,
Was that the day in the driveway?
I believe so.
I was there by myself.
Okay,
A couple of my buddies was there.
okay. And were you able to talk with the CPS worker that day?
Yeah, I sat there, stood there in the driveway, talking to him.
Okay. And you did not know where Erica was?
No, I didn't.
Did you know where your daughter was?
It was Erica.
But you didn't know where they were?
No, I didn't know that. Where it was.
Do you recall on or about June 19th? An incident where law enforcement was involved?
What, when they come to try to take her?
No. It would have been on or about June 16th of 2024.
I don't remember. I've been there a couple times.
You aware of a police officer, do you recall a police officer coming to speak with you? And it seems like that day you were working on trucks.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I hadn't seen her in over a week or two. I
And,
told that cop that.
yeah,
He,
and,
he made up 2 different reports on that paper. He said I said one thing and I said one other thing, and my buddy was there that whole week, and he said we hadn't seen her, and I'd been with my buddy all week. We was working on his truck in my barn.
okay. So I'm gonna read a portion of this police report to you, okay?
I'm objecting as far as hearsay, it's adjudication.
I agree with Mr. McFarland.
I can rephrase the question, Your Honor. That's helpful.
Okay.
Mr. Hollis, at any point in time, did you tell law enforcement that you had not been assaultive towards Miss Walker?
Yeah, I would, yeah.
Okay,
When
and
that day, you changing things, a different day, or what day are we talking about? Same day we
yeah,
stopped?
let's talk about that day.
Yeah, I hadn't seen her. How could I assault somebody when I ain't seen them?
And did you indicate that she was probably smoking dope?
I said, you probably out smoking weed, is what I said.
Okay, and so Miss Walker has a history of smoking marijuana?
It's legal, so what?
I know, I'm just asking, I'm just trying to understand if that's what this
Yeah, well,
report
once
was
you,
meaning.
you gonna go to the next one that the cop lied about? Saying that I said that she was probably smoking dope with my kid? It's in that paperwork, you got it, I know you do, because I got it.
The report I'm reading does not indicate that. This particular.
I got it,
Okay,
and he's a liar.
okay. I just wanted to confirm that that day you had told him you had not assaulted Miss Walker.
I hadn't assaulted her.
Okay, and then I just wanted to confirm what smoking dope meant, and if that's just
Smoking
weed.
weed.
Okay. Okay. How long have you and Miss Walker been in a relationship?
About 8 years,
8 years? And you only have the one child with her?
yeah.
Okay. Does she have a history of making allegations about you harming her?
No, I don't think so, I don't know, no.
Okay. Do you guys have a history of getting into fights?
We've been in arguments before.
Have any of those arguments been physical? I'm sorry, they just started making.
I don't think so, no.
Okay. And does she have, to the best of your knowledge, a history? Have you witnessed her ever being maybe paranoid that
No.
people are out looking for her?
No.
Have you ever been in physical altercation with Miss Walker in front of your daughter?
No, never.
Do you generally think that Miss Walker tells the truth about you?
I guess she does. I never heard her say anything about me. Has she ever been physically assaulted towards you? No. Can you help, this is probably a pretty obvious question, but can you help us understand your attitude or demeanor towards the department when the investigator came to talk with you about Which
the
one?
complaint? Let's start with Miss Kelly. Back in April when she came to discuss the complaint that came in. Were you trying to explain your side of the story?
What story?
Anything. If Miss Kelly came to your home and explained that she was there to investigate allegations, were you cooperative with her?
Yeah, I let her come in and look where she wanted to know where she slept, where her room was, all that. I let her come in there and look.
Okay. And did you maintain that the complaint she received generally alleged that there was domestic violence between you and Erica in the presence of Melanie, and that Melanie was shoved out of the way during an incident?
That never happened.
Okay. And is that something that you shared with Miss Kelly?
I don't remember if she asked me that or not, but I didn't remember her asking me that, but Melanie never seen nothing.
When is the last time that you saw your daughter?
Well, when I went to the bonding class where
And was that with Miss Moore? Do you recall?
I believe that's who she was. I can't remember. On your street.
Okay. Mr. House, does Miss Walker have any reason to be afraid of you,
No,
to hide from you?
no,
Do you have any reason to be afraid of her or hide from her?
no.
Okay, I have no further questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Brooks?
Have you ever physically struck this lady?
No,
Do you have any opinion as to why she would have filed this court paper against you back in the spring?
I have no clue.
Well, before we go any further, are you still able to continue testifying? I will stop if you tell me to stop.
Oh, go ahead.
So the question was, do you have any idea why she would have filed such a piece of paper against you?
I don't know why.
Has she ever told you why?
She's mad?
Have you asked her and was her response?
Yeah.
What was she mad about?
Cause she never take off with Melanie. And we got an argument over that.
Over what?
Take it off with Melanie.
Who's Nani?
Melanie,
Oh, Melanie, excuse me.
that's all we ever got an argument about.
That's your daughter.
Yeah,
She's 2.
yeah.
When you say taking off with
You
Melanie,
take off, I think it's a secret.
well, let me see if I can understand this. Was she taking off with Melanie to go to the store, or was she taking off without the intention of returning?
I
Or calls for speculation.
don't remember exactly all that.
Hang on, Mr. Hollis. Did you want to respond to that, Mr. Brooks?
That's fine.
It's all in the
I'll
past,
move
man.
on.
I don't remember all that stuff.
I'll move on.
I don't remember.
Is that when the piece of paper that you got served states you assaulted her? Do you know what I mean by assault?
Yeah. They brought that out to my house and give it to me.
But in fact, you assaulted her?
No,
And also,
got an argument, but I didn't do anything. We didn't do anything. She left.
well, you're a pretty big guy, aren't you?
Yeah, but I'm not able to do nothing no more. Lucky to walk from here to there.
Me too. Anyway, while this PPO was going on, did the two of you talk to each other?
Yeah, no.
I said no. She come by, she drove by the house, and that CPS worker was standing in my driveway, but that was it. That's the first time I seen her.
How long were you two apart?
A couple months.
Are you together now?
Yeah,
Apparently, at some point, you did go to the courthouse, not this court, but the court upstairs, right?
yeah.
And what happened then? What happened in that courthouse?
They told us, they told me it was over. She did it on Zoom. She wasn't even there when they said it was done. They just asked me my name or something.
Would you recall which judge it was?
Lady upstairs.
Judge Anzalone?
I think so.
All right. If I suggest to you that this lady sitting next to me had dropped the case, would you think that might have happened?
Yeah, that's what happened. She dropped it.
Has that ever happened before between the two of you?
No.
The petition says that while the argument she's complained of was going on between the two of you, that your 2-year-old daughter was between the two of you and got kind of brushed aside.
No, she wasn't. So whoever said that, they're lying. Because Melody's never been between me and her anywhere.
Would you agree with me that the mother of your child is protective of her daughter?
Well, yeah.
Do you think she would allow that to happen if you two were getting into an
No.
argument?
No, neither would I. I've never heard Melody, neither has her, or neither has she.
So you two were apart for 7 months, right?
Months, yeah, a couple months.
Oh, you said it 7 months before. Maybe I misunderstood you.
Couple months, not
Excuse
7
me.
months.
And you're together again now.
Yeah.
Have there been any altercations, physical
No.
fights between the two of you?
Uh-uh. I don't have my brother and a bunch of people living with us either anymore.
What does that do?
It makes big conversations.
I think I know your brother, don't I?
Yeah.
How are things between the two of you now?
Good.
When's the last time you got to see your daughter?
Well, at that bonding a month ago, I think it was. The 20th.
Do you know why you haven't been able to see her?
No, not really.
Where is she?
My nephew's house,
Who's your nephew?
Tommy Gruber.
Has this anything to do with, is he related to your sister?
Yeah, this is her son.
Do you think she has something to do with all
He has
of
a
this?
lot to do with it. And I got proof. On her phone.
Well, why don't you just tell me?
Well, she said she was gonna get even with her and take and take her, take her from us. Because
Sister did?
I told Erica to tell her she can't see her no more because I'm tired of it all, and then that's when it all started.
Thank you.
I can't remember exact words she used because it's in her phone though.
I understand. But that was just
That was
the
the beginning
guts
of
of
it.
the mess.
That's when it really got heated up.
When did that occur?
Months ago,
Okay,
really from the get-go. She wanted her from me.
and now the child is living with your sister's
Yeah.
son?
And they got her trying to call her mom and dad. That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, she called me and complained about
Yeah,
that,
I
didn't
did. Only two parents she's ever got is me and her.
you? Are you a danger to your daughter?
No. I take her all over the places with me.
For that matter, is her mother a danger to her?
No,
To your knowledge, has the child ever been taken to the hospital with any injuries?
no,
If the department said that in order to get your child back, you had to cooperate with what's called a case service plan. Have you ever heard the term before?
no.
It's a hit list of things they want you to follow that the court may very well order you to do, okay?
Yeah.
You understand what I'm
I
saying?
told her, when she asked me right there, she asked me if, would I do whatever, and I told her, I stood right in my driveway and told her I'd do whatever it takes for Melanie.
Well, I see that you did some sort of a psychological evaluation, didn't you?
Yeah.
At Moore Counseling?
Is that out there on 52?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If they order any other counseling sessions, would you do it?
Yeah.
Do you have anger issues, sir?
No. I don't think I do, but
You have no criminal record.
I say, what do you mean criminal record?
I'm not talking about traffic violations.
Yeah,
I'm talking about where the police arrested you for stealing,
no,
fighting,
no,
that kind of stuff.
no,
To your knowledge, does the mother of your child have a criminal record?
no. Not that I know. I never seen her steal them.
Well, I mean, the police have never arrested her.
No,
Do you agree with, how long since you've had, the child's been out of your home?
about 3 or 4 months.
I don't know that it's entirely necessary, but I'll ask the question. What do you think of that decision?
This is a shitty one.
I guess that's the answer. You want your child back
I want her back.
in your home
Yeah, in her home. It's her home.
with you and her mother.
Yeah,
Have anything else you want the court to know?
I think they're all forced yet. That's all I'm saying. I'm done. I mean, they've lied.
Well, that
My whole
doesn't do
family's
us
lied.
much good, Harold. I just.
No, there's nothing else I want to say other than my family sucks.
All right.
Okay, hang on, because other attorneys might have questions for you. Mr. McFarland,
No questions?
Ms. Underwood?
Mr. Hollis, how long have you and Miss Walker been back in a relationship for?
Whatever day, I don't remember what day it was, whenever the PPO was dropped, the day I went to court. I don't remember what day it was. What day was it?
So when did Miss Walker return to living in the home with you?
The day after I went to court.
So you're breathing pretty hard. You okay?
Yeah, let's do whatever we gotta do. The day after, I can't remember dates and stuff, so.
Well, so the PPO was from April of 2024. And you two remained out of contact from one another for the entirety of the PPO being valid?
Yeah, I might have talked to her once or twice to see how Melanie was doing before they took her, but other than that, I didn't see her.
Would it be accurate that the PPO could have been dropped in mid-August of 2024, or was it before then?
Yeah, I think it could have been, but I didn't realize I was supposed to go to court. I didn't even have the papers for it.
Are you physically able to take care of your daughter with your health condition?
Yeah, today is not a good day, because, I've had a lot of stress. This place is giving me a lot of stress. And that's what the doctor said the last time I was in the hospital, the doctor's office, he said, you gotta get rid of a lot of your stress. I said, well, you tell Illinois County that.
Are there any criminal investigations for domestic violence pending against you?
No,
No further questions.
Any redirect?
Mr. Hollis, you said you don't have an anger problem.
no.
Your Honor, may I play a voice recording?
Objections?
Played at the preliminary hearing already?
Well, I just, as coincidentally, recently researched the issue of recorded phone calls, and I believe they are allowed.
Was that on an exhibit list for today, Your Honor?
You tell me, Mr. McFarland, you were given a copy.
I don't recall that being on the list.
If it's not, then I object, but not because it's not allowable.
Your Honor, I would
Under
use
Michigan
it-
law, it is.
As impeachment.
You played for purposes of impeachment.
And it was already played during the preliminary hearing for Judge Sala.
Oh, you mean when you mean when I told her and the other couple they could do?
Just
What
hang
would
on.
happen?
Mr. Hollis, please don't interrupt. We have to make a decision. I have to make a decision on this. Ms. Underwood, your position?
It has been previously played, so it's part of the court record already, which Your Honor would be able to review. I don't see any objections to that.
Well, the adjudication trial does not allow me to review anything that may have been part of today's record. Anything that comes in for my review today has to be cleared through the rules of evidence. It's been requested that I play, or that I allow Ms. Thomas to play a recording. I'm assuming you're all familiar with it as well.
Yes, Your Honor, I believe it would be valid for impeachment purposes.
Further objections, gentlemen?
I'll leave it to Mr. Brooks, it's his client.
All
I
right.
repeat, I just happened to have researched this issue in the last couple of weeks for an unrelated case.
Okay, I could use a little foundation just for reference, Ms. Thomas.
Mr. Hollis, I think that when the judge was making her decision, you may have indicated you know what recording I'm speaking of. Is that correct?
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about. I told them guys, I told her and the chief of police of Raven, over my dead body, would you come in and take my daughter away? You have to kill me, or and then get by my German shepherds. You have to kill them. That's all I said to them on the telephone. And I didn't say it, I said that on the telephone. I didn't say anything about killing anybody. I just said they have to kill me to come through my door to get that girl from me. And then they have to go through them dogs to get them. That's exactly what I said.
Do you recall leaving a voicemail on Miss Kelly's answering machine after a removal order was issued?
Yeah, I told her, good luck finding her. That's what I said, good luck finding her.
And you don't believe that that indicates you have any type of anger management
I
issues?
just told her, tell her, see if you can find her.
Your Honor, may I play?
What dates are these?
Your Honor, I believe it would be June 24th of 2024.
So is that's the first one?
Yes, Your Honor, and that would have been after the emergency removal order was issued.
All right, thank you. Go ahead.
I would object, and that's because it's after what's on the petition. Petition is dated 6/20/24. Now we're talking about something after that, and we're to consider what's on the petition for the adjudication. Now we're going post petition to consider something for adjudication. So really, I think the proper method would be to make an amended petition to include that. But we have a date, where now we're including information after what's on the petition or presented to the parties and their attorneys. So I think we have a fundamental error there.
you like to respond?
Yeah, I just maintain that it's for impeachment purposes.
It seems relevant for purposes of impeachment, gentlemen. All right, Ms. Thomas, go ahead.
You guys better, you better be ready to shoot me because you're never gonna find her. I already took her somewhere where you'll never find her.
Well, where is she at?
No, business.
Okay, well,
There's nothing.
there's a court order for her removal, so,
No, you're not getting her.
okay. Okay, well,
You're not
there,
getting her. She's nowhere near my house or nothing. So I wouldn't worry about trying to come back out here because I'm not even there. My truck's at their driveway and stuff, but I'm not here.
okay, well, I am gonna have more court paperwork to serve you guys, so how would you like me to send that to you?
Well, I don't know what you're trying to, I don't know why you were trying to take her from me. I haven't done anything to her, or none of us done anything to her.
Well, there's a whole petition as to why we removed.
That's all bullshit crap. That's a bunch of lies.
Okay, well, that's what you've been saying for the last 2 months, so. there's
Hey,
some-
man, kiss my ass, go fuck yourself, bitch. I haven't done what you did.
Okay,
Do you recall that conversation?
Yeah, I recall it. Now,
And do you still maintain that that does not demonstrate anger?
yeah, I was angry that day because they tried to take my daughter.
And you also stated in your testimony with Mr. Brooks that you would get angry at Miss Walker when she would take your daughter, correct?
I what?
That you'd get angry with Miss Walker when she would take your daughter, is that correct?
I didn't get angry, I just wanted to know why she wanted to leave. I wasn't angry. I had about it, I just didn't want to do no more with her. I'm done.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Any recross?
No, Your Honor.
Sir, do you want to take a break?
Yeah.
I don't think, unless you have any more questions for Mr. Brooks, I think I can allow him to return to his seat.
I'm fine. I have no questions.
No questions.